name is Sean Star. I'm a professor here at Jindal Global Law School, and I will be the convener of the Law of Torts and Consumer Protection. I will today be teaching you a little bit about what's involved in the Law of Torts and Consumer Protection. We'll talk about this in two parts. One, what is the structure of the course? And two, what is the pedagogy and the outcomes of the course? First and foremost, with respect to the structure. We will be first introducing you to what the law of torts are and how they fit into the general legal system. We will explore torts in the context of India, of course, but also other common law jurisdictions like the UK, Australia, US, etc., etc. We will then look at the different types of torts that exist in common law jurisdictions, including intentional torts like assault, battery, and false imprisonment. We will then look at unintentional torts, namely negligence, which you may have heard about already. We will then look at strict liability and absolute liability, and then also we will discuss defamation, which again I'm sure you must have heard of already. Finally, we will look at the Consumer Protection Act as well as the amended bill that is being debated and discussed in Parliament in India as we speak, so it's a very topical and live issue. That will cap off the substantive issues that we'll discuss with you throughout the semester. In terms of pedagogy and outcomes, you will be looking at a number of cases throughout the semester. There are dozens of cases from India and around the world which will help us understand how tort law is applied by courts in different jurisdictions. This is important because from a pedagogical perspective and an outcomes-based perspective, by the end of the semester you should not only be able to understand and interpret these cases, but you should be able to see a set of facts where there are tort law issues in those facts and be able to pull out those issues and advise a client, or in your case, a professor, what the solutions should be in that particular case. So it's a great way to apply your practical legal skills in a subject in Jindal Global Law School. In our case, you'll be looking at doing four things. That is, you'll see these set of facts and then you'll be able to, one, identify the issues that exist. Two, understand and tell us what the relevant and applicable law is in this case. Three, apply that law to the facts of the case. And finally, a conclusion, to come up with a reasoned conclusion about informing your clients what their legal options are, essentially. So that caps off what the structure and outcomes are for the Law of Torts and Consumer Protection, and we look forward to teaching you throughout the semester. All the best.